Welcome to this step-by-step guide on embedding an Instagram photo in your WordPress website. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once the homepage is loaded, locate the login option typically positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this login option allows you to access the secure area where you can manage your website. After selecting the login, you will see several options to sign in. Look for the option that says Continue with Google. This method simplifies the process by letting you use your existing Google credentials, making the sign-in both quick and secure. When you click Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you normally use for managing your WordPress site. Once signed in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for all your website management activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you are not already accustomed to it. In the dashboard, find the Quick Links section. Within this area, there will be an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to open the Customizer or Site Editor. This is where you will make changes to your website's design and content. With the Site Editor open, locate your website from the list of available sites or pages and click on it to begin editing. This will take you further into the design interface where all the visual elements of your website reside. At this point, direct your attention to the top left corner of the editor, where a plus icon is displayed. This plus icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your pages. Clicking it allows you to access a menu of additional features and blocks that enhance your site's design. After clicking the plus icon, you will see a search field that appears in the editor. Type in the word Instagram into this field. This search command filters the available options to show you items specifically related to Instagram integration. Among the results, find the Instagram embed element and click on it. Selecting the Instagram embed element opens a new interface where you will be prompted to include the Instagram content you wish to display. Now prepare by copying the URL of the Instagram photo that you want to embed onto your site. This URL is a direct link to the individual Instagram post, and it ensures that the correct image will appear on your website. Once you have copied the URL, paste it into the designated field within the Instagram embed interface. It is important that the URL is pasted accurately in order for the embed to function properly. With the Instagram photo URL in place, your next step is to click on Embed and save it. This action not only embeds the Instagram photo into your web page, but also saves the changes, ensuring that the new content is permanently added to your website. Saving your work is critical to avoid losing any edits, so make sure you complete this final step before moving on. Following these instructions successfully adds a dynamic Instagram photo to your website, which can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site. Every click in this process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you can integrate engaging social media content without needing advanced technical skills. Enjoy the ease of updating your website with fresh content and the improved interaction that an Instagram photo can bring to your online presence.